Well, that didn't go well. I'm going to homework jail. Ginny had math homework to turn in. When she arrived to school, she couldn't find it. As the teacher asked the students to turn in their work, Ginny began to scramble to locate hers. Ginny had to think quick. She remembered Pug farted all night, and he was adding numbers in his dream. 269 plus 640 plus 518. So Ginny tried to explain to her teacher that Pug ate her homework. I'm sorry, teacher, but my Pug ate my homework last night. But the teacher didn't accept Ginny's excuse. She gave Ginny a failing grade for the day. Ginny cried and ate a donut. Yes, Ginny thought, since I get the failing grade, Pug is going to homework jail. Never! Forget about it, Pooch. You're coming with us. Where's the math homework? Ginny, help! I'll never eat your homework again. Okay.
Thanks for joining us, guys. And remember that AM and PM story time is for any time of the day, whether you're just waking up, noontime snacking, or bedtime is happening. Stop by and enjoy a book with us.